Hello everyone. In this video, we are gonna analyze a little bit more data. We're gonna compare the number of coronavirus to other data sets. For example, according to area or population in all of those local government area. But as you can see, we have already the kind of areas draw in this document, so it will be easier to find out what are those areas. But one information that we don't have, for example, if you open the attribute table here, is the population, if you want to calculate those numbers based on population. So for that, we're going to leave a little bit QGIS and open an online source provided by the Australian government, which is this website called Aurin. Aurin gives access to companies and universities, perhaps students like myself, to a big range of data, um, geolocated data. For example, some populations regarding areas like the local governments. Here we have the page that we will open up after you log into your Aurin portal. And here I have already selected Victoria. For example, here we're gonna start from Australia, refine area, select states and territories, and Victoria. And after that, we're gonna look for the data set that we need. So we go browse, and this page will open, and then we could type all kinds of data sets that we need, or maybe you can just select the kind of like divisions or sub-levels of areas that we want. In this case, we want local government area. Let's search. Take a little bit to search, and then this will appear. Perhaps you want a more current data. We could kind of like sort this list by clicking here, and then we see like 2036. Maybe it's too far away. Maybe you can find something related to our year, 2020. And here maybe you can see some data regarding population. Let's check. Projected people age distribution by 2025. No, we're gonna be one by 2020. Yes, here, projected people age distribution 2020. And we have here, we can check what kind of fields they offer, a bunch of different age gaps, and here we have total. So that is perfect. We don't need geometry here because we already have geometry here in our QGIS, so there's not a necessary option here. We definitely need local government area code or name, so then we can match to those here. So now that we checked our population field and those other codes to match with our QGIS project, we click add, and it's added to our project. So if we want to just visualize here, we can display on map, and that could appear here, and we click and we can see the code, the name, and the population projected by 2020. And what we can do now is just download this data. We could either download a JSON file that opens very well on QGIS, but in this case, you don't have geometry, you can just download the CSV file. And now we have this file downloaded in our computer. Just extract, and we have both the JSON and the CSV, and we can now save in our special folder. And let's just drag this file and place it here. And if we open the attribute tables, we can see that we have the code, the name, and the population here. And now the only thing that we can do, that we have to do, is join those two, as we have already learned. So there was one special video talking about how to get data from Aurin, and for the next one, we're gonna calculate the coronavirus cases compared to population and area based on the data that we are having already uploaded to our project. Thank you and see you on the next one.